Okay, so now we're going to go over dividing integers. It has the same rules as multiplying integers. If they are the same sign, the answer will be positive. If they're different signs, the answer will be negative. So as I look at this problem, I'm already noticing that they have different signs. So I know my answer is going to be negative. I'm going to go ahead and put that negative sign there. Okay, and then 3 goes into 9 3 times because 3 times 3 is 9. And that should be my answer. All right, looking at the next one, I can see the signs are the same, which means my answer is positive. And then 28 divided by 7 would give me then a positive 4. All right, and then this example, negative 32 and negative 8, they have the same sign, so the answer is going to be positive. And then I just divide. 8 goes into 32 4 times, so my answer would be 4. All right, and then for my last example, I have negative 10 being divided by a positive 2. They are different signs, so my answer will be negative. And then 2 goes into 10 5 times. And that would be my answer. Okay, and that's it for today. I hope you all have a great meeting or a great day. And I'm going to end this now. Have a great one. Jesus Christ.